Hello, little yogis! I'm so glad you made it today. Remember to like and subscribe so you never miss our new yoga adventures. Today's session will help you feel strong, brave, and happy. Roll out your mat, take a big, deep breath. Let's get started! Enclose yourself like a beautiful lotus leaf floating on a tranquil pond. Reach your arms upward and stretch to the side like a high mountain touching the sun. Fold your body in half like a delicious sandwich, keeping your feet planted in the mud. Raise your arm as if you wanted to pick the most beautiful, sparkling apple from a lovely tree. Spread your wings and soar like a graceful plane above the clouds. Stretch yourself out like a giant eraser that wipes everything away. Lie on your stomach, raise your arm, and grasp your foot, like a brave little archer ready to take flight. Wrap yourself up like a majestic eagle perched in the trees. Lift your belly upward like a solid bridge stretching over a shimmering river. Rest on your elbows and tighten your body to stay straight like a fine table. Raise your hands very high as if you wanted to touch the stars. Flutter your knees like beautiful butterfly wings. Stand like Superman conquering the world. Curl up to a ball like a small pebble rolling down a gentle mountain. up like a fine, proud little snake. Roll your legs over your head like a small rainbow stretching toward the sky. Lie on your stomach, raise your arm, and grasp your foot, like a brave little archer ready to take flight. Crouch down like a little frog, getting ready for a big, joyful leap. Grow like a sturdy tree with its roots deeply anchored in the soil. Transform your body into a big inverted mountain like a happy puppy. Lift one leg and extend your arms out to the sides like a magnificent airplane flying through the clouds above the sea.